So hi everybody, I had this broken wheel. This is an Actobotics part. I broke it and I tried to 3D print a replacement for it. So in this image you see the final 3D printed part, and after that you can see the cart on which the final 3D printed part goes mounted. About designing the wheel, let's see the design process with this Fusion automatic preview. Okay, now observe this. The part which requires to be more detailed is the bottom part, because there is the Allen key. Okay, so on the time of printing you will print this as the part on the top, and this face will be on the bottom. Good. Finally, I want to say that the difficulty in the design of this was that I bought all these tools in the US, so they are in the imperial system, so in inches. Instead, all my measurement tools here are in millimeters. So I was not sure that, for example, the Allen key would fit. For this reason, I 3D printed this part, and then I checked the perfect fit before designing the final wheel. And I want to show you that this was the initial wheel I designed. It was more or less okay, but the Allen key was not good, so this part was not fitting. So I recommend you to always design separately in a small plate the part which need to connect to existing metallic parts, because it takes about 1 hour to 3D print that, and it takes about 3 hours to 3D print this. So if you need the STL file, it is in the video description. You will find the link. So that's all for today. Goodbye.